Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to revise molecular structures of DNA. Many students have the confusion regarding the structures of DNA, especially the molecular structure of DNA. So, DNA, which is deoxyribonucleic acids, is made up of the three components. And what are these components? I will write here. DNA have the three components. The first one is deoxyribose. The first component is deoxyribose, and this is the 5-carbon ring structure. Here you see, this is the 5-carbon pentose sugar, and in the case of DNA, it's known as deoxyribose sugar. This is the first carbon, this is the second carbon, then third carbon, fourth, and this one is the fifth carbon. Is that clear? This first carbon and this second carbon. Is that clear? In the second carbon, no OH group is present, that's why it is deoxyribose sugar. In the second carbon, there is no OH group. Is that clear? Rest other you have to make the OH group. Is that clear? Now the next one is nitrogenous base. Nitrogenous base, we know that there are 4 nitrogenous bases: adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. But we forget to categorize it. Actually, according to the ring structures, according to the number of rings, single or double, these nitrogenous bases are of 2 types. The first one is purine and pyrimidine. Is that clear? Purine and pyrimidine. Adenine and guanine are purine, and thymine and cytosine are pyrimidine. Is that clear? Always remember, when I make the DNA structures, the adenine is always joined with a double hydrogen bond, thymine, and guanine with triple hydrogen bond with cytosine. Is that clear? The third important group is phosphate group. Because of the presence of phosphate group, the DNA is negative charge. It's important to know that why the DNA is negative. Because of the presence of phosphate group. Dear students, the first carbon of deoxyribose sugar is always joined with glycosidic bonds. Okay, nitrogenous base. See, the first carbon is joined with nitrogenous base. Is that clear? And this structure, nitrogenous base and deoxyribose sugar, is known as nucleosides. The fifth carbon is always joined with the phosphate group. Now, the nucleosides and these phosphate group is known as nucleotide. And the DNA is a polymer of so many nucleotides. DNA is a polymer of nucleotides. What is the meaning of that? This is one nucleotide which is made up of nitrogenous base, pentose sugar, and phosphate groups. Again, I made the same thing. See here, this one is what? Deoxyribose sugar. The first carbon is joined with nitrogenous base. The third carbon, this pentose sugar. Then this fifth carbon is again with the pentose sugar. So nitrogenous base, pentose sugar, and phosphate groups, they make nucleotides. Is that clear? I hope you understand this